sure we all need to stop caretaking each other in a way that we're worried about what other people are thinking, because it's just not worth it. I feel that we're perfect the way we are. Everything around us is perfect, and everything around us is vibrating exactly the way that it should be. Now, I realize that there are things that don't feel perfect and don't feel vibrationally in harmony. However, on a larger scale, if you step back and put on your different goggles, then you will see that everything that is happening for a reason. And we don't need to fight it, we need to flow with it and flow through it. So let's just remember that we don't need to caretake anybody, ever. And we need to care about each other, but caretaking is not the answer.